Hey y'all, and welcome to Meech and Monica Eats. I am so excited about this channel, y'all. We will get into all of the details in the next few videos about this channel. But first, I want to go ahead and let you know what we are having on the menu today. We are having these super easy club sandwiches. First, we are going to get our bacon together so we can go ahead and put it in the oven. I also have the lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, meats, whatever you want to use. I'm just showing you the different brands that I will be using. We love using Boar's Head. I get that from Publix. So I have the Boar's Head honey ham, the Boar's Head honey turkey, as well as the steak fries, which are really good, by the way. I picked those up from Publix. So let's get into this video. Look at that bacon, y'all. So I already baked my bacon. I'm going to go ahead and start on my toast next for our sandwiches. And then I'm going to add my fries to the air fryer. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
What's up, fam? Hey, Meech and Monica Eats is here all the way live. And I know the wife and showed y'all this club sandwich. And yeah, club sandwich all day long. Miss K in the background. She ain't in here with me, but she in the background. Miss K, what's up?
What's up, fam?
Monica Eats is in the building. But yeah. Can y'all see this? I don't know if y'all can see this. Can y'all see that? Look at that.
Let me see if I can zoom in.
You gonna zoom in, baby?
Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in on you.
Look at that. Huh? We got the turkey. We got the ham. We got the bacon. Do you see the bacon? You got the cheese. We got the lettuce and the tomatoes. And we got the skewer.
Mm-hmm. You could pull it out now. I just wanted to hold your sandwich together.
Just wanted to hold it together. But look at that, y'all. That's how we doing it on Meech and Monica Eats. And y'all can get ready. This just something at the house that we doing. But y'all can get ready because this is something totally different that we doing, y'all, on this channel, Meech and Monica Eats. I'm gonna say it again. Meech and Monica Eats. One more time. Meech and Monica. Y'all said it with me. But yeah, I forgot. What do you pickle called, baby?
That's the butter pickles.
The butter pickles.
The sweet butter pickles or something like that. Me just like those. But yeah, y'all, we are gonna be having. I'm not getting on camera, y'all, because I got on my pajamas and all of that stuff. But anyway, we are gonna be cooking at home, but we are gonna be going out trying different foods and all of that. I can't wait. We'll do a lot of that on the weekends.
Yeah. So you may not get as many videos as the other channel, but this Meech and Monica Eats. So we're at least trying to get y'all at least 1-2 videos a week.
At least 2 to 3, yeah.
2 to 3?
2 to 3.
She pushing it, y'all.
I'm gonna push myself, y'all. I'm gonna push myself.
This is something new, y'all. So we're gonna be trying different stuff, man. But this is one of the simple meals that the wife cooked that I love. I'm a simple guy, and I can eat a sandwich any time of the day. And ain't nothing like a big old club sandwich.
Right. We'll be doing meals at home just to give y'all ideas, of simple meals and easy meals, but they are going to be very good.
And if y'all know of some restaurants around the Panhandle area, you get what I'm saying, Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know of some good restaurants, we might travel a little ways to check them out, you know what I'm saying? So, then we're going to be going out of town, so we might try restaurants wherever we go. We got to be looking for stuff. So, hey, I'm excited, baby. I am excited for Meech and Monica Eats. I'm excited. So I'm finna get down because I don't want my stuff cold. Yeah. Then we got the fat fries.
Don't stay fries, honey.
Fat fries.
Okay.
Then we got the alkaline water. I don't know if I should drink all this by it being in the afternoon and nighttime, but we're gonna hit all this up. But I'm gonna go, y'all. I'm finna finish this. Hold on, I gotta bite it because this Meech and Monica Eats. So I got to eat. You know what I'm saying? So hold on a second. Pull that out. Hold on. Look at that, y'all. Uh-oh. Look at that. That what you call a jawbreaker, y'all. That break your jaw biting that mug. You heard my jaw pop? Yeah, you did that, baby. With the club sandwich. Look at that. Look at the tomato falling out. Look at the meat. Look at the bacon, y'all. Look at how the sandwich. Look at that. I love tomatoes. Look at the tomato. Hold on. All right, y'all. We'll have y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching Meech and Monica Eats, and we'll catch y'all foodies later. Peace.